I told you how this shit finna go, nigga. Fuck you, and we gon' thug you, we gon' thug him, gon' thug all y'all. I can't even call my dog right now. Fucking with them old bitch ass niggas. I be tryna tell them how it is though. But I can't tell you no more, nigga. Just know I ain't going for nothing. I shoot this bitch, I ain't stopping. You press my button, I can't take it back.
Nigga, yeah, come on, Big B. Yeah, nigga, come on, Big B. What's up, bitch? Nigga, this your fat boy. I said fuck you and y'all music, if you with that shit, let's do it. Nigga know I'm with that shit, I walk down, catch my target, shoot it. Pussy bitch, you know I'ma do it, bitch. Holla about my music, bitch. Ain't no nigga gon' do me shit, last nigga did, we zip the bitch. Last nigga play, we zip the bitch, little bitch got hit with poo-poo sticks. I jump out the car, empty my rod, watch how to shoot this bitch. All you niggas die, won't stay alive, keep doing stupid shit. I'ma switch his head, yeah, like Kreal, this nigga old. My brother died from 4-7, I hope that he made it to heaven. But I don't fuck with most of them, cause most of them niggas ain't steady, blow your weapon. Bitch told me that she love me, couldn't accept it. Should've never spoke on 3, dead on the chair, that pussy late. Feet in the air, shoes off his feet, that's what you get fucking with 3. Soon as they spoke on brother name, came through that bitch, start clapping heat. Nigga troll about my mama house, that shit ain't take no fucking weeks. All you bitch ass nigga weak, y'all seen what I did. After that, I came through that bitch clapping that nigga speaking on my game. Why, here I go, I'm back again. I'm going hanging at that roof, yelling out, ha, against the back again. One day he tryna clap, take off his top, now he can't rap again. Chopper got 2 baddies on that bitch for to get it off. I'm calling Joe. I might just put it in the ground, stuff it in the bag, and know how to go.